Hello and welcome back. This is David from KorhonenCa and also from figfab.com. Even though this is a little ahead of schedule, I couldn't wait but to show you the progress I've made on my Pangu i3 3D printer. It turns out there was a few wiring and firmware updates that I had to make from the unboxed version. You can see at the bottom it's a little bit messy, but soon afterwards I was making near flawless prints. Like all 3D printers, there's a pretty steep learning curve to get it to run. I'm happy to say this is my very first print that worked. There was about 7 that didn't before this. Once you start 3D printing, it's really hard to stop, and this was my next project, which was a case for my daughter's iPod. This is a free program called Repetier Host. I think I'm saying that wrong, but oh well. When you're printing with ABS like this is, a heated bed is a must. Otherwise, the plastic will just warp and curl all up. I'll get into much greater detail in further videos on how to do this, but just quickly, the temperature of the extruder was 200 degrees Celsius and the bed was about 91 degrees Celsius. It's about as hot as I could get it, although I did get to 100 once. As I said at the start of the video, this video is a little bit out of order. My next video will be about installing the electronics and doing the wiring. So subscribe to my channel and see you real soon!